North pole of a magnet facing towards geographic north. Here in this context what happened means we have to be always directions you have to keep like that. This is the north and this is the east. And I am taking one magnet. I am taking one magnet such that I am placing the magnet north pole towards the geographic north, south pole like this. So here everywhere at the points here I consider 4 points. Everywhere there exists a field called BH. BH is called Earth's horizontal component of magnetic field. This is Earth's field. Earth's BH is called Earth's horizontal component of magnetic field. This is not because of magnet, this is because of Earth. So everywhere this field will be pointing towards geographic north. So BH is called Earth's horizontal component of magnetic field. Its direction is always fixed towards geographic north. This is created by our Earth. Our Earth. This BH is Earth's horizontal component of magnetic field. Now here, if you observe, this is a north pole. Here, if I want to find, this is we can observe now two lines. First of all, let us observe the two lines. This is called as axial line. This is called as axial line, and this one is called as equatorial line. So this is a magnet. Whenever magnet is there, be axial because of this magnet on the axial line. What will happen? We'll have axial magnetic field like this. This is be axial. Here also be axial always south to north of the magnet. Be axial direction always south to north of the magnet at any point on the axial line. At any point on the axial line, be axial is in the direction of south to north. At any point on the equator line, B equatorial will be at any point on the equatorial line, B equatorial will be in the direction of north pole to south pole of the magnet, north pole to the south pole of the magnet. So B axial and B equatorial both are in opposite directions. Here let me take here to a distance as suppose from the magnet to this equatorial point distance is r. So here if you observe the net magnetic field at all the points, net magnetic field at all the points, what is the net magnetic field here? Both are in same direction. I can write here B axial plus BH. B axial is because of magnet, BH is Earth's field. Here also we can write B axial is equal B axial plus BH is the net magnetic field at geographic south and geographic north. These are the directions of geographic north, geographic east. So this will be west, this will be south. So this is a geographic south point, this is geographic north point, this is geographic west point, this is geographic east point. Here observe, this is the east point. East point means what should I write here? B equatorial is equal to BH. At east point, B equatorial will be B difference. What is the net magnetic field means? B equatorial will be difference of BH. Because they are opposite. Opposite we have to use difference. So B equatorial difference BH will get here. B equatorial difference BH. So here B equatorial difference BH we are getting at where on equatorial line. So we have two lines here. This line we call it as equatorial line, equatorial line. And this line we call it as axial line. On axial line the fields are added, equatorial line fields are subtracted. So here our target is to find a null point. This is the east point. And that is east means obviously this will be what? West. So you can observe east and west. This is geographic north. This is north, geographic north. And this is geographic south, geographic south. So here we can observe very clearly that where the fields are opposite at east and west. East and west fields are opposite. So at east and west fields are opposite means what is the net magnetic field at that points? Let us observe here. So here B net at that point, B net at east and west means I can write B equatorial difference BH. This is on equatorial line. This is on equatorial line. On equatorial line. So for null point to obtain, for null point or neutral point, for null or neutral point. What do you mean by null or neutral point? We can say that net field is zero. Net field is zero. Net field is zero means now I can write simply B equatorial is equal to BH. So B equatorial is equal to BH means for short bar magnet I can write mu naught by 4 pi m by r cube is equal to BH for short bar magnet. This is for short bar magnet. Short bar magnet I can write like this. Short bar magnet. So B, that is a short bar magnet. And how many null points we have? We have two null points. How many null points we have? We have totally two null points on which line? Two null points on equatorial line. Two null points on equatorial line. This is the information. So your main points are for null points to obtain. This is the formula. And how many null points are obtaining? Two null points. So two null points on equatorial. Null point condition. The condition for null point is this, the condition. What is the condition for null point? Mu naught by 4 pi m by r cube equal to BH. Capital M is magnetic moment of that magnet. So I hope you are clear with this one. So any doubt till here? Are you clear with this idea beta? Is north pole facing towards the geographic north derivation. And these are the conclusions. North pole of the magnet facing towards geographic north.